on.
But keep an eye on it if it flies off.
Yeah.
So this is quite bumpy right now. So.
Hang on, bloody hell.
Oh,
I'm
shit!
not running with you, dude.
Oh, sorry.
Jesus.
Sorry, man.
You've got a car full this time. Or I can do it later if you want. I can get in. Right.
You are slow.
Yes.
Okay, so.
I'm moving all your stuff off the floor. So
Yeah. Sorry about that. I forgot. You can kind of like stamp it a bit. What type of a grip did you have there?
It's a suction cup.
I ordered from China before this, a magnetic one.
Okay.
I expected more from it.
Oh, really?
I mean, it's back there. I think it's borderline that it stays, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, this now with the snow on top of the ice, it's getting lovely because now there's really no grip anymore. And there's this corner here that I'm going to show to you. It's like I can do it at walking speed, and it's still gonna be too much. What is here? Yeah, suddenly, you see? And when you lift off, it's worse, because then you lose the control. How slowly I am and how much I'm fighting to hold it. It's still fun.
Huh?
The speed that you have to take it. And even then, see, I just give it a little flick and off goes the front. Camera is still there.
Yep. Gets grip in the perfect time in that corner there.
Call it perfect, but somewhere during the corner there is grip. I'm holding on for my dear life because it changes, you know. If it would be constant, the grip, you can kind of throw the car and then play. But if it changes like it changes. Suddenly look now the back going here. Yep. And off goes the back end a lot. I'm not giving almost any input to the car and how far it went. It's just skidding there. Here it's the same through these corners. And if I just let the inertia here, the back will go so much off. Well, now I didn't throw it, so the front went. So you kind of need to throw it so that you catch the front.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you wait for it, it's just understeer.
Yeah.
Like here, for instance, I waited now a little bit too long, but yeah. slow motion drift. Are you patting it, my precious?
Every now and then it stops filming for some reason.
I have one of those also, actually. It's back there.
Yeah. Oh, you've got a lot of everything.
I got a lot of cameras.
that is true.
I'm finding the good one. The 07 has potential, but wait, dude, don't come. You have to fish me out after. Come on, grip front. Okay back there?
Yep.
You're very silent.
I just enjoy being thrown around.
Yeah.
I'll put down the meter. Where to, Governor?
If you want to get thrown around, you want to go with Mikhail or Pekka, because they tend to chuck the cars around quite well.
Yeah, but listen, I want to see them throwing cars around this track right now, because the conditions have changed a lot. It's very slippery.
Oh yeah.
No one is going to have any grip going through here right now. Off he goes. Here we go.
Very nice. Nice control of the acceleration.
Last time I came to track 3 years
Look
ago,
at this freaking
on
front.
Saturday night we watered the track,
Yeah.
so nobody could move. Even the Porsche Cayenne, he just said, "Have you got video?" Yeah. He just hit record and just did donuts on the spot.
Yeah, I mean the grip on this corner is ridiculous now, and it's just gonna get worse the more polished it gets. But then it's nice that you launch sideways here, then you catch it, and you throw it to the other corner. But if you throw it too much, then you end up going too far. He is going too far. Yep. Let's try a different approach. No, still no.
Nope.
Yeah, you see? It was the front at some point, it was going in, and then
Yep.
I lose the front. Still there?
Yep. I'm very surprised actually.
So am I. Because this is quite bumpy.
Yep.
And it doesn't bite. Get there, you. I admit that this would have been better with spikes.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah. But maybe it's more fun like this.
Yeah,
Maybe with spikes you get too much grip.
I think so. I think in the important small spots you get way too much grip.
Front, rear, make up your mind what goes. And really struggling to catch it. Whew, hard work. Okay. That tells how much or how little grip there is.
Yeah.